What makes it special? The very beautiful northeastern part of India, Assam, has stupendously entered into the New York Times 52 places to go in 2025 list and grabs the fourth place position on a global scale. It is known for its tea gardens, wildlife sanctuary, and very rich cultural heritage. This acknowledgement is a big milestone for Assam that used to prove its success with regard to decades of conflict, but now a vote as a place to be visited. Why Assam in the list? The NY Times featured Assam before many global places fall. The recognition by UNESCO World Heritage is Karyode Meadows, which are ancient burial mounds constructed between 13th and 19th century under the Ahom dynasty, which received the UNESCO World Heritage status in 2024. What are these spectacles to visit in Assam? Kaziranga National Park, the UNESCO World Heritage Site, has biodiversity hotspots and is a wildlife sanctuary of one-horned rhinos, Bengal tigers, and migratory birds. Karyode Madams. These are memorials of royals having dome-shaped chambers and are inscribed with ancient artifacts and royal insignia from Ahom dynasty. Majestic tea gardens. Assam has some of the largest tea states and some of the best quality tea producing countries of the world. Brahmaputra River cruises. Luxury cruises that put you face to face with the mighty Brahmaputra River let you reveal in the beauty of Assam naturals on board. Why Assam matters in the world. Geopolitical position are adjacent to countries like Myanmar and Bangladesh. Assam now provides a cultural and ecological corridor into northeastern India. Conservation success. This has brought Assam's biodiversity onto the global arena, attracting eco-tourists from all corners of the earth, a shift towards global recognition. Officials like Kaziranga National Park Director Sonali Ghosh emphasize the global acknowledgement Assam has received. She credits government initiatives and recent visits by dignitaries, including India's Prime Minister and Bhutan's King, for putting the state on the international tourism radar. Why should you visit Assam in 2025? Enjoy easy accessibility with modernized infrastructure. From the tranquil tea states to the vibrant wildlife, Assam offers an unparalleled experience for every traveler. So, if you are planning your 2025 adventures, Assam should be undoubtedly top your list. Are you ready to discover what makes Assam the fourth best travel destination in the world?
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.